Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. It's Jean here. To this video, magluluto ako ng adobong puset para dadalhin ko sa aming getting together. So tara, tulungan niyo ako. A simple way lang, simple version of my adobong puset. Yum, yum! Squid adobo. Clean pusit, then magic sarap, salt, pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, then garlic, minced garlic. A simple way of cooking adobong puset. Bay leaves. And then stir. Let's start to cooking time. 30 minutes, guys. People, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. It's Jane here. So, to this video, happy Saturday sa inyong lahat. Hope okay kayo. So, ngayon, I'm going to see my beautiful friends at my old work. So, sa dati kong tinatrabahan. So, see you later. Bye! People, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. To this video, mag-picnic tayo with our beautiful friends. Hi Albert, we have a special guest. It's Albert. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
Instead of posting her picture, the one I took picture. And then she put on
Albert.
I said, look, there's a bird.
Oh, you didn't see this? No, it's the Albert.
Albert, is it like it's
I didn't realize that until
Well, if Jim can handle it,
Next round,
maybe Cherry has a big chance, guys. Hello. Thank you for the yummy lunch. Next time again, okay? Don't talk if your mic is full.
Tapos Leah to next.
Nice catching up with this people.
Oh, ito tapos Leah.
May video?
I saw some.
Please, like, subscribe, please.
Dikit na lang muna.
Are you full, Albi? Hello, meet my friend Albert. Hi. Hi, Albi. Albert, say I'm pretty. You are pretty. Come on, bite it, Albert, bite it.
The one that we can
Not my camera, huh?
Johnson.
Hi.
No.
Honestly, I'm sick of this news. I don't know where to go.
I don't read news. I just heard it in the shop. You know, people say
Albert is trying to.
So I don't
My husband is like,
Albert, why are you doing?
it's not good.
Mom is busy.
1 hour later.
Now we're gonna get going.
Guys, nag-collect and earn kami. Si Vishti nandun, nag-collect and earn. So, yay! That was a good catch up with beautiful people. And now we're going to Stockland restaurant. No.
No, not a restaurant. You can sit there.
Yeah, extra.
Yeah, like a food court.
Extra one. Extra food court. So we're busting. We're going to the toilet. We're finished our toilet, guys. We're going
Where are
inside.
you? Ah, okay, yes, we just in Kmart.
Kmart, guys. We're looking for a kitchen stuff. What's that? For cooking. Can breathe. I can breathe. So knife. That's like a knife. She's calling you, Trudy. This is the kitchenware. Hello, you're the model. Huh? This is something. Tofu, $2.75. Oh, $4. Bin, okay. We need a brand new bin. So this is the houseware area.
Yeah, I got this one for the
Hmm?
outside. You got like this. This is not in the one in the house.
Yeah,
that one.
inside. So they are $18.
Yeah.
That one is too small.
This one outside I have this all. Oh, that's the same.
This one, no? Round pedal, but it's easy to break. $25.
Yeah, and you got two. One.
Small yellow towel. And there's a vacuum area over there. And some people just leaving rubbish there, which is no good. It's not good. Fish washer, yeah. Because we're Asian, they're racist to us. Yeah.
Check out.
Oh, I need to check out.
I was looking at the dress there. You
Did you say
Red one.
thank you?
Thank you. And
Thank
then
you.
you just
Okay.
and you didn't even look at my face. Yeah, look for your Christmas.
Like we have a life. We have a life, no?
Yes.
Yeah, not only the penalty.
Outside we can not wear
Yeah.
masks.
Mm.
Outside, but gents
Sound, guys, huh? It's gonna
Always get short.
window siya whole day shopping. Charot. This is the towns looks like a quite. What's that?
so best and less. Eh, aquatic as well. They open now. You know what?
Popping.
What's up?
Stop popping.
Aquatic.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, okay.
It is best unless. Say best unless. With the right for the collar. I'm looking for brief.
One very below me.
This is the towns looks like.
So you know what? Then
Yay! After our meetup with beautiful people, friends, I'm home with Foxy. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yes. I saw Albert today. Yeah, the birdie. Thank you for watching, mga beautiful people. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe at nag-share sa channel ko. Maraming salamat. God bless you. Take care palagi. And shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sa mga pamilya ko sa Philippines. I love you all and miss you all. And kahit saan ang sulok ng mundo, mag-iingat tayo at mag-dasal palagi. Bye. God bless. Mwah.